till we get to the park. I love the park. I love playing in the sandbox, and climbing the monkey bars, and going down the slide with Peanut. Right, Peanut?
Can I play with Peanut at the park too, Dee?
Sure, Chris, but only if Peanut says it's okay. You should ask him.
Do you want to play together at the park, Peanut?
That means yes in Teddy Talk. Mom, can we go now?
Okay, you two. Are you ready to go to the park now?
Yeah! We're all ready.
Whoa, wait, Dee! You don't have your seatbelt on yet. We can't go anywhere unless you buckle your seatbelt.
My seatbelt?
Yep. Whenever I get in the car, the first thing I do is put on my seatbelt. It's a rule.
Oh, I didn't know it was a rule. There.
All right.
I don't know, Chris. Sometimes my seatbelt bugs me, and it crinkles my pretty dress.
Dee, it's more important that you stay safe. And seatbelts keep us safe during a car ride. Besides, the seatbelt rule is for everyone in the car.
I always want to be safe. You're right, Chris. It's important to always wear my seatbelt. Safety first.
All buckled up back there?
Yes! Oh, wait! No! There. Now we're all wearing our seatbelts. Right, Peanut?
Okay, let's go to the park.
Yeah!